Hey y'all, so this is what happened Wednesday number 4. So we're going to be talking about closed loop control systems, which are very important as in they give you feedback and you're allowed to adjust your response based on this. So the first thing we need to worry about is the transfer function of our output to our input, and that ends up being PC over 1 plus PC, and we want this to be about equal to 1. Next, y of s over d of s, which is our output to our disturbance, ends up being p over 1 plus pc, and we want that to be small. So generally, we want to turn up our gain to not only make this about equal to 1, but also this small. However, what keeps us from just shooting gain into the moon is the output to noise transfer function, which is also pc over 1 plus pc if you take the absolute value, and we want this to be small. So the only way to solve this innate conflict is frequency domain separation or a really expensive controller that we probably don't have.